Well, it's definitely a snowstorm. Oh boy. Like I say, Nick, I gave you the video earlier, 6 a.m. And now it's already, I believe, 12 o'clock. Somebody playing out there with their kid. So nice. I remember I used to do that with my pops and my moms. They go 189 in Watts right there. Yes, it is coming down. Woo-wee. It is coming down. Look at other cars covered. And I was gonna go down and take snow off my car, but I don't think so. My car right over there. Woo. Full of that snow. Right behind with the one with the wipers lifted up. But it's all good. I think I'm gonna stay up here and relax. Look at Saint Nick. Oh wow. Full of snow. Oh, epa. Mira cuánta nieve, mi gente. Si no tienen que salir, no salgan, porque no va a haber parqueo. Y está aquí 189 igual aquí. Mira cómo está lleno esto de nieve. Bueno, mi pana, los parqueos van a estar duros. Parqueos en la pompa, brother. Y ojalá que no le den un ticket. Mira, ya ustedes ven, mi gente. Toda la nieve cayendo. Mira las palomas ahí. No saben ni para dónde ir las palomas. Tanta nieve que hay. Ay, ay, ay. Ahora ya tú sabes, otro video de Cell. Another video from Cell. Giving it to you live, baby. I wish everybody has enough food, has shelter, and a nice hot cocoa, hot chocolate. Hot coffee. And stay safe, my people. God bless, man. It's your boy Cell. Bring you another one. And prayers to everybody, man, that needs it. God bless. Stay safe, y'all.